Looking at the way two sons of Mr. Lalu Prasad Yadav has been inducted in a very senior post, few questions does arise. We expect that this sunrise, SON sunrise in Bihar, does not become the cause of sunset of governance in Bihar, because they hardly have any experience. Secondly, I would say it is height of dynastic politics, because Mr. Lalu Prasad Yadav's party, RJD, though it talks of Samajwad, but this is a classic case of Parivarvad. Where is the justice done towards their own party men? If Mr. Lalu Prasad Yadav has shown any kind of faith and trust, he has shown the trust only in his family, not in his party. So the one who cannot do justice with his party, how can he do justice for the society at large?
Every mandate has a message, has an earnest request to make. This mandate should be seen from that perspective. The grammar of this mandate wanted it this way. The fact is, Mr. Tejasvi, he was selected under 14. He had to leave his studies to play for under 14, and then subsequently cricket became his career. Finally, after so very many years, he came back to politics or public life. It should be seen from that perspective. They have just taken oath yesterday. Give them some time, give our government some time, and I assure you, Bihar shall get one of the best government through this formation.
जब कोई भी काम होता है, खासतौर सरकार बनती है, तो तरह तरह की बातें होती हैं। कहा जाता है कि डायनेस्टी रूल को आगे बढ़ाया है और परिवारवाद हो गया है। ये जनतंत्र है, और जनतंत्र में जनता जो मैंडेट देती है उसी के हिसाब से काम करते हैं। उनको जनादेश मिला है, जनादेश के आधार पर लोगों को वहां पर मंत्री पद की शपथ दिलाई गई है। कोई गैर विधायक, जो विधायक नहीं चुना गया है, उसमें कोई शामिल नहीं है। तो जनता अपेक्षा करती है कि हम जिस जनप्रतिनिधि को चुन के भेज रहे हैं वो अच्छे पद पर बैठे ताकि उनके क्षेत्र का विकास हो।